Rhett VanScoter here, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Here's a question for you. Is your homeowner's deductible $25,000 or $500? Now most people would confidently answer that their homeowner's deductible is $500 or whatever they selected. But would they be right? They'd say, sure, of course I'm right. They come to me and they pull out their policy declarations page and they say, look, right here, it says $500 deductible. That's what it is. But would they still be right, even though it says it right on their policy? For the most part, they probably would be. But there are circumstances where that might not be correct. And that's why it's important. If you've been following my video blogs or my blog in general for any period of time, you know that the most important part of the policy is the actual policy itself. That's going to spell out for you all the different coverages that you have, any exclusions that apply, and it might even point out any hidden deductibles that you might have in your policy that you're not aware of. Now this whole deductible thing came to light as part of this Hurricane Sandy and this recovery effort. Because what most people didn't realize or didn't know is that some homeowners policies actually have a different deductible for hurricanes, which they say it's a percentage, and they can be as high as 5% for deductible. So you look on your policy, you say, hey, it only says it's a $500 deductible, but you got to dig into that policy and understand that it could be more. And now, luckily, this was, this percentage deductible was mostly avoided for most people because before Hurricane Sandy actually hit landfall, it was classified as a post-tropical storm. So for most policies, that kind of got them away from the percentage deductibles. So hopefully it's going to save a lot of people a lot of headaches when they go to settle their claims with their insurance companies. Now, when you say it, 5%, 5% doesn't seem like a big number. What's the big deal? $500, 5%. Well, if you take a house that's insured for $500,000 and you apply that 5% deductible, it comes out to be $25,000. That is a lot of dough compared to $500. I know that I would rather have a $500 deductible compared to a $25,000 deductible. Now, I know that I would rather pay $100, $200, maybe even more in premium to have a more comprehensive homeowner's policy. So if I have one that says maybe has a flat $500 deductible compared to one that might have this percentage deductible for hurricanes, or maybe any other scenarios that I might not be aware of. So that's why it's important when you're looking for homeowners insurance, or even you have current homeowners insurance, that you review it to make sure that you have the most comprehensive coverage possible. Because it'll take you a long time if you saved $100 in premium, and you got a policy that had a percentage deductible compared to one that didn't, based on that $500,000 house, if you saved $100, on your premium, it would take you 245 years to make that up in savings. So I haven't looked at life insurance actuarial tables in a while. I know our life expectancy is increasing. I don't think they go up to 245 years yet. So I'm pretty confident that is unfortunately a bad investment. For someone, saving that $100. In spite of getting that 5% hurricane deductible applied to their policy. Now, if you're unsure of your homeowner's policy and you'd like to give us a call to review your coverage with you, to give you a no obligation quote on your homeowners or any other lines of insurance that you may have, give us a call at the number below. We'd be happy to help you out, and we look forward to hearing from you. Again, Rhett VanScoter, owner of VanScoter Insurance Agency. Don't be fooled by a name. We insure more than vans and scooters.